Greetings, Benjamin J. from BENZTRAINZ with another in the series. Well, a follow-up on that Lionel 224 dump car that I converted to a Searchlight car. I have an old American Flyer Searchlight mounted directly to the car. Now, I removed the stanchion. I discovered that I didn't need it. And got a screw going down holding the Searchlight directly to the chassis. So as you see, this is up and working. This actually works really well. So I've got the wiring finished, and you can see really all I did was install a steel coupler with that roller on it, or a steel truck with that roller on it. And I have ground going directly to the screw that's holding the Searchlight to the chassis. Of course, this wire is going to the power lead on the light bulb. So anyway, I'm going to put this on a consist. I just got this finished, so I wanted to do a quick video on this. It's fairly straightforward. It's really simple. The nice thing about it, of course, is I now have a Searchlight car where I did not have one before. So I've got the Lionel 229 on the rail, as you see, with its original tender. Just want to do a quick video. Let's take this around and see how it runs. So as you see, up and running absolutely splendidly. It looks nice, it runs well, and it gives me a Searchlight car where I did not have one. So that actually works quite well. And considering this is made completely out of junk, and that's why I always stress, don't overlook the junk. A broken 224 dump car, hinge was broken, a spring was missing, came with something that I bought on eBay, an old American Flyer Searchlight, and that roller that I got off that $2 tender from eBay. Put it all together and you have yourself a working Searchlight car. It actually looks quite good. It works well, it costs nothing. It was fun to do, and it'll last virtually forever now. It's actually quite robust. Anyway, I just wanted to do a quick video on this. As I always stress, don't overlook the junk. As you see, this car does not look bad at all. It is flicker-free all the way around the rail, and it costs nothing. Made out of parts out of the parts box, that 224 dump car, and that roller off that $2 tender from eBay. And I still have another roller I can use, so I'll very likely use it for lighting a caboose. Anyway, I just wanted to do a quick video. As you see, this actually doesn't look bad. It was easy to do, reasonably straightforward, and you have the satisfaction of knowing that you built it yourself. So this old car will last forever now. So a Lionel Searchlight car built out of junk. Anyway, I just wanted to do a quick video on this. I gotta say it again, don't overlook the junk. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to drop me an email, BENZTRAINZ@gmail.com. And as always, thank you for watching.